We have now all of the contours of the face have been cut in. Parts of the beard and the hair have been completed. We've made the inside of the cowl fairly clean. Top of the head, got the symbol. I still need to put in a few things on the circlet. The eyes appear a little large, but we're going to put in another little line around here to represent the eyelid. It'll be very small, very light. We've dug deeper into these areas here for the very pronounced brow. For the most part, it's pretty clean now. Got in a lot of the wrinkles on the cowl, wrinkles on the hair. These are the overall larger, ruffly hair, and we'll cut in smaller lines toward the end, and then we'll, of course, add more lines with the shadowing process. I'll have to put in some leather straps around here, this area, heading upward, something like that, and then cut the rest of the handle a little bit further down to make it look like the straps are higher, which they are. Then I'll have to cut in the pattern for the axe. It'll be something Viking-like. Probably just match it to the previous one that I did. This fault seems to be pretty pronounced here. I'm not sure that I can separate it enough to get glue in there, so I'll work on that at another time. It should be covered by the frame, but that's not enough for me. I'll probably try to get it separated at least a little bit.